Welcome class 4th. Let's continue our syllabus. This is part 2 for lesson number 2, that is GUI operating system desktop management. Open page number 14. Today we are going to do quick launch bar. Alright, so in quick launch bar I will tell you how we can enable or add quick launch bar on the taskbar and some other functions such as expand the quick launch bar, adding shortcut to the quick launch bar, removing shortcuts from quick launch bar, and remove quick launch bar from the taskbar. Firstly, let me tell you what is quick launch bar. So come to your books. Quick launch is a toolbar on the taskbar. Quick launch is used to open a program quickly with a single mouse click on its shortcut icon. It is separated from the pinned or added icons on the taskbar. And children, by default, this quick launch is present in Windows Vista and Windows XP, but disable in Windows 7. So we have to enable it. Okay, now how we can enable it? There are steps which are written in your books. We have to just follow all these steps. So all the steps I will follow one by one and show you how you can enable your quick launch bar on the taskbar. Alright children? So come to your desktop. As you can see, the taskbar at the bottom. You all know this is your taskbar. So let's start this. First step is to right click on the empty space of the taskbar. Now this is my empty space. I will click a right click on it like this. A menu appears. Click on toolbars. Now you will click on this toolbar. When you click on this toolbar, this box will get open. And in this box, you will choose new toolbar. Alright, click on this new toolbar. Now this folder will get open. Now one address given in your book, you have to fill that address here. That is the location of quick launch bar. Like this. And then we have to click on this select folder. When I click on that select folder, you can see the icon of quick launch here. So that means quick launch appears on our taskbar. We can click on this arrow. You can see the arrow. Let me just take it closer to it. So you can see this arrow. When you click on this arrow, you can see the shortcut icons. Let me just show it to you. Like this. All the shortcut icons present in the quick launch. Okay? Now, this is how you can enable your quick launch. Second one is how you can expand your quick launch. Children, if you need to expand or if you need to work and do any kind of task on taskbar, the first step is to unlock your taskbar. How you can unlock your taskbar? Simply right click on the taskbar on the empty space and you can see the second option, which is lock the taskbar. Now click on this tick marks to unlock the taskbar. Now you can expand the quick launch. You can see these lines, dotted lines near quick launch. By dragging this, you can expand it. How you can drag it? Keep your mouse pointer here. Click and drag. See and leave. So my quick launch is expanded. Alright. So this is how you can expand your quick launch bar. After expanding, there are one more thing which we can do with quick launch. That is, how can we add these kind of shortcut icons to our quick launch? Children, this is the most simplest part. How you can add? Simply you need to drag or navigate your icon here. For example, let me just open my start menu like this. Whatever you want to add. Suppose I want to add this Word app here to my quick launch. So I will just click and navigate. That means dragging. Just pick it up and bring it here and leave. Let me just show you like this. You can see Word is here now. Right? So this is how you can add your any icon to your quick launch bar just by dragging it. Okay, now how you can remove it? Suppose some of the icons you don't want on quick launch bar. So the next part is how you can remove these icons. So children, that is also very simple. Just simply right click on the icon on quick launch bar like this. Keep your mouse pointer here and right click. You can see a delete option here. So you will click on delete option like this. You can see my Google Chrome is deleted from here. In the same way, let's try on Word also. Right click and delete. See. So this is how you can delete icon from the quick launch bar. Now suppose you do not need quick launch bar any longer. Alright. Now you know how to enable it, how to add icons to it, how to expand it. But now after working with quick launch bar, now you don't need it. So you need to remove your quick launch bar from your taskbar. How you can do that? It's very simple. Just right click on the empty space on the taskbar and you again go to the toolbar and you can see here quick launch. There is a tick here. You have to click on this tick. When you click, see my quick launch bar is removed. So this is how you can work with quick launch bar. Alright, next topic is taskbar. That we will cover in our next video. Till then, practice this at your home. Thank you.